Good morning everyone, and in today's video, GoPro 12 video test in 5.3K, 30 frames per second, horizontal lock. Why not 60? Because horizontal lock is only available below 50 frames per second. So this is 25. There you go, that's my bike. Right, that's me. Full length of my arm. There you go. Let's connect it to my backpack. There it is. Oh, right there. So like you can see, it's still in level, and the camera is completely upside down and sideways, but it's still level. And let's take a ride. Where are we going? We're going to the store. Buy some food. Food adventure. We're going to find a special treat. Well, that's what I was after. $9.99. I'm filming vertical, but the camera, the GoPro will keep that level nicely. So you will see it as a horizontal video, but in fact it's a vertical. I mean, the camera is vertical. How cool is that? Well, GoPro's a GoPro. Is this the best camera in the world at the moment? I think not. I think Osmo beat the GoPro at the moment. Maybe the next model will give us more performance. Teslas are charging. People shopping. I'm going to shop too. I'm shopping for the water. I need to buy a lot of water. Alright, so I got my water. You could ask, why did I bought so much water? Well, because the tap water is very low quality, my friend. Very low quality. This is my country, so I'm not drinking tap water for years now. Only bottled water. That's how bad it is. Alright. So I think that's all I have. Just a quick test for the GoPro 12 on that beautiful bike. See you next video. Bye.